Sangria is the perfect summer cocktail, and I've got the greatest formula so that you can come up with your own creations every time. It starts with, of course, the wine. Today I'm making a red sangria, but you can also make a white sangria with white wine. You want to choose something that's on the drier side. I'm using a Spanish Grenache, and I've already chilled it because this drink is best served cold. The next component is a liqueur. You can balance this out. You can add flavored vodkas. I'm gonna do a half a cup of triple sec and a half a cup of brandy. Triple sec lends itself to that citrus sweetness, makes it nice and bright. The brandy's gonna add that little warmth, you know, so you feel it when it goes down. The next component is a fruit juice. Sangria is known for having those bright fruits swimming around. To get that going, I'm starting with a can of lemon concentrate. I'm gonna highlight that with some fresh lemon juice and fresh orange juice. Of course, you wanna kind of sweeten that up with a little more sugar, just about a quarter cup, and then we'll give that a stir. Just wanna stir it till that sugar dissolves. Next component, the fresh fruit. This sangria recipe is very citrus forward, so I'm going in with a lot of lime slices, lemon slices, and orange slices. And then some of those maraschino cherries. It's like you get a little treat in your glass when you finish it, and this is sitting at the bottom, soaking up all that good alcohol flavor. Give it a stir. If you wanted to make this ahead of time, I would stop here and just keep this in the refrigerator. I've already chilled the wine, everything's nice and cold here, so we're just gonna serve it straight up over ice. And the final component, which is optional, but I find it quite delightful, is to add in some sparkling water. Just a couple cups to finish it off right before you serve it. You could also use something like ginger ale or lemon lime soda. And that, my friends, is sangria. This smells incredible. This drink definitely puts you in the mood for a party. Remember, sangria is all about the formula, and it's up to you to get creative and make it delicious. You can even make something like this for the fall with flavors like cinnamon and apple brandy and float some fall fruits in there. You get the idea. It's good. This might be one of the best sangria recipes I've ever made. I hope you'll give it a try. And when you do, don't forget to tag me. Cheers. Put me by the pool and I'm a happy girl.